Hello friends, my name is Ron. Welcome to my channel. Today we're doing a follow-up to my custom Skidplate build, and that has worked out so well that I bought a set of Ricochet Off-Road Footwell skid plates, and I did the same thing. I skinned them with plastic, and so today we're going to install them. So I will be open about this. I didn't spend anywhere near as much time tamping and prepping these as I did that skid plate. So I also only intended to do the outer edges, but then I guess I got a little bit arts and craft-y, and so I wound up doing a little bit on the interiors, and I have no idea how they'll hold up. You know, like I say, this is all kind of an experiment just for fun. So if you want to do something like this, just be aware that, you know, it could fail. You're probably not going to damage your aluminum, but you're not getting your plastic back. So the plastic I used for this is remnants of the skid plate that was on that ATV from the factory, and also a little bit of the skid plate from my Wildcat there. So here's the hardware that comes with these Ricochet Off-Road Footwell guards. One of them is just a flat plate with basically a nut attached, and then a long T40 Torx. And then the other one of note are these, and hopefully it's capturing correctly, but I think it is. The other one are these shorter T40 bolts with a 3/4 inch C-clamp on it. So the instructions don't go into which particular order you want to mount the bolts in. I just loosely do the C-clamps first because they're probably the hardest to get into position. I did go ahead and do one side, so it turned out good. I wanted to mention, I don't know how this would work with the factory foot pegs, cleats, whatever you want to call them. These might stick up. I'm not sure. As you can see, I have Rath racing cleats on here, so running this the way I did, I don't know whether it was intended to be this way or not, but for me it worked out perfect because this way everything's flat underneath, and that sticking up is not going to bother me. I highly recommend cleats, by the way. You would not believe how much this improves the handling of your machine. You can throw this thing around like crazy, and your feet don't lose traction when they get muddy or covered in snow or what have you. Good mod. So before I tighten everything up, the instructions call for blue Loctite, so I'm applying blue Loctite. Now again, I'm not tightening them just yet. I just want to get them in place so that it's not flopping all over, right? Alright, so I've got everything in place. Now I'm going to tighten up. I'm going to start from the middle bolts and work out to the corners. I don't really have any reason. I just feel like it is the more effective way to tighten it. So. And so there you are, squad. That's what goes into putting the Ricochet Off-Road Footwell skid plates onto my 2008 Arctic Cat 700H1. Here's what it looks like from the top. Now I probably could have straightened this. I'll be honest with you all, I don't care. So that's just the way it's gonna stay. I doubt I'm ever gonna think twice about it past this video. So they have cutouts for stuff dropping through under here. As you can see, it matches my aluminum skid plate build. So now I have aluminum skids under my footwells, and then, like I say, I did go ahead and skin them with some plastics just to kind of have a plastic surface to slide on. So I didn't do quite, you know, I didn't do the complete thing because, to tell you the truth, I really wasn't planning on doing this stuff in the first place. It kind of just became where I was bored and decided to do it. So whether or not they hold up, only time will tell. So anyway, that's our mod for today. I can't go into a review on these because obviously I've just put them on. So far they seem like a good product though. I've used Ricochet Off-Road for these and the A-arm skids on our Wildcat, and I've been really happy with them so far. Seem like a really good company. So anyway, that's our video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments section. Otherwise, I'll see you next video.